Which eye-catching species paints the skies with intricate orange, brown, and white wing designs? Painted lady, American lady, or buckeye butterfly? The correct answer is painted lady. Which vivid wonder mesmerizes with orange wings, dotted with eye-like spots resembling a deer? Buckeye butterfly, question mark, or viceroy? The correct answer is buckeye butterfly. Which dazzling U.S. butterfly, famed for its epic migration, has striking orange wings with black veins? Monarch butterfly, painted lady, or Gulf fritillary? The correct answer is monarch butterfly. Which shimmering beauty flaunts electric blue wings that dazzle in the sunlight across eastern forests? Red-spotted purple, eastern tiger swallowtail, or Carner blue? The correct answer is red-spotted purple.